The world is constantly evolving, and the future of work is following suit. As we stand at the threshold of a new era, it is critical to identify how we can succeed in this dynamic landscape. In this first chapter, we'll dive into understanding the path to success, how the future of work with AI will be the new game, shedding some light on the way forward. By connecting the dots, we can chart a path to success while embracing the playful nature of the future of our lives and the way we work. There are too many perspectives or predictions for us to draw conclusions about who and what specifically it will replace, but the replacements are on the horizon. And I speak of this technology already revolutionizing every industry. My belief holds firmly along the lines that if you believe you're going to be replaced by AI, rest assured you'll be replaced by an AI. We exist a handful of minds that see this revolutionary tsunami as the best change in life to improve ourselves, transcend our standard of thinking, and become more authentic. Just watch for a moment. Everyone is desperate for that human connection. People want to follow humans. They don't want to follow a search engine with a face. And with the rise of ChatGPT 4, Lambda, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Sora have awakened the world to generative AI or AGI, and authenticity will be more important than ever. Startups are racing to create disruptive products and business models, while established companies are looking to respond. Long language models or LLMs have triggered a sense of urgency in companies around the world to develop AI strategies. Folks, we are here to advance easier and faster access to powerful tools. ChatGPT is now multimodal. It means it can comprise voice, text, images, video, and 3D graphics in full resolution. It can solve mathematical problems, highlight key points in complex legal contracts, and also code software and even model molecules. AGI such as ChatGPT 4 transform how we can interact with computers. Everyone can use human language to solve problems. It's a game changer. This was a domain only for computer programmers. Now, we are all programmers. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA. Generative AI is a new computing platform like PCs, the internet, or mobile devices, and the cloud, for example. AGI will reinvent almost every industry. Imagine a future where we create our own personalized companion, just like we will today with our phones. Symbiotic interaction might seem scary for certain people, but we must open our minds. We have already been interacting with this intelligence in indirect ways for more than a decade now. It's time to consider the implications and expand our perspective on what's to come. To speak of the most common, of course, from your medical test to your favorite music and movies recommendation from your Netflix and Spotify account. Today, we can implement our AI to our particular context and lifestyle. For example, imagine for a moment becoming the most efficient artist, where being multitasking becomes your daily bread until you internalize it as just another habit. And not only that, but it is brutally cheap. As all these multi-billion-dollar companies like Google, Meta, X have scaled it to the point where mortal people like you and me can leverage and be part of the distribution of this new world order and this new generational fuel that is coming. The second digital renaissance has begun. It means that the world as we know it today is about to be completely changed. AI is just the beginning of a constellation of exponential technologies like blockchain, quantum computer, autonomous cars, robotics. These forces are converging as layers of a technological cataclysm, challenging traditional industries and threatening the survival of the less agile business dinosaurs. It is the birth of new industries of the 21st century, an era of innovation and disruption that will change the course of our history. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Thrive in the age of AI. Prepare your career for the future and create authentic content. In this episode of Exopreneur, we will explore strategies to prepare your career for the future, and I will show you the birth of a new 21st century career that is impossible to copy and be replaced, at least in the medium to short term. The cool part is that evolves as you evolve yourself. It is not in the stars to maintain our destiny, but in ourselves. William Shakespeare. Cultivating a long-term mindset. One thing I like to emphasize from all of this is the importance of building a long-term mindset to achieve success. Focusing on the big picture allows you to set ambitious goals and work towards them, because you get clarity and can manage to recognize the potential opportunities that arise between these intersections, even when short-term outcomes are uncertain. In the future of working with AI copilots, adopting a playful approach and seeking joy in the process will motivate you to persevere, as you will be less likely to be discouraged by setbacks and automation. This is why making the decision to build projects with deep and meaningful intrinsic value to you, aka entrepreneurship, is one of the best lifestyles to start implementing today, and it's best for itself as your value in the marketplace increases. Developing multidimensional skills through gamification. Staying ahead of that curve in a world where the only constant is impermanence is not an easy process to follow, but it's rewarding when you learn to familiarize yourself with the latest tools and take advantage of the benefits you gain from platforms and software relevant to your industry. For example, writers and creators can use tools like ChatGPT and Runaway to improve their writing and editing skills, while marketers and professionals in other domains can explore automation platforms like HubSpot, Zapier, Google Ads, and Beehive to optimize their workflow. Mastering these tools makes you more efficient and demonstrates your ability to adapt into any situation that comes your way. The word is for holistic synthesizers, the generalists. You probably heard these words often. You must specialize in something, or you need 10,000 hours to become an expert. I want to tell you that there are other ways. The word is not a dichotomy. Your context is the key. What do I mean by this? I want to emphasize the importance of developing the ability to perceive the world as a holistic synthesizer's mold, where in the age of AI, generalists will occupy a space around the globe. In a world where technology evolves in a hyper-exponential way, keeping up to date and applying it in our work, context becomes more and more challenging. Our university programs become obsolete as they are unable to adapt to rapid change, automation, and the demanding competitiveness of the big ideas. Companies develop rapidly thanks to the democratization of information and technology. This is where generalists play their role, being able to become multidimensional, master several fields, and wave intersection points between them to create and innovate solutions faster with AI tools, making you a valuable individual for the market, even if it means modeling some mastery in an environment of uncertainty at the beginning. How do we become experts if universities no longer meet the expectation of the real working world? There are many ways. If you want to be a good professional in the modern world, become a specialist. But if you want to be irreplaceable in the modern world, become a holistic jack of all trades. Strengthen your soft skills, mental bodybuilding. Cultivating interpersonal skills such as empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence are extremely key to differentiation yourself from AI-driven systems. Stay informed and keep on learning, the way of the eternal student. Continuing education is essential to keep you relevant in any industry, but it is not enough. Don't expect extraordinary results without doing extraordinary things. Collaboration and potential networking create your personal brand alongside. The importance of building a strong community by building long-term relationships with long-term mindsets is key because human connections are invaluable in the age of AI. Attend industry events, join online communities like ours, and connect with creatorpreneurs in social media to expand your network. How to build an adaptable character in a resilient personality open to change. Designing an expansive perspective to change will be the key to surviving the new technological tsunami. Embrace change and be open to learning new skills and strategies. Adaptability will make you more valuable to employers and ensure that you can pivot and thrive in the face of challenges. To thrive in the constantly evolving landscape of the future of work, it is critical to embrace a holistic exponential mindset and focus on long-term goals. Diversifying short-term skills development, executing them effectively with real-world projects where over a sufficient period of time, collaboration, and adaptability will produce a composite result where today we know them as the Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. So yes, my friend, there is a path for people like us and where we can set ourselves up for success. To translate these fundamentals into practical steps, the use of AI tools can provide valuable assistance in implementing these principles in the real world. Implement AI in your decision making. Implementing AI in decision making means using tools that use advanced data and algorithms to help you make better decisions. These tools provide you with detailed information and analytics that allows you to execute your strategies more effectively. By integrating AI into your processes, you can improve your approach and increase the likelihood of success by making decisions based on accurate data and in-depth analysis. Use AI to monitor progress and adapt. A community-driven business inspired and guided by real-time data is the key to developing products that people actually want. AI-based analytics can help you track your progress toward long-term goals and provide insights into areas where you need to adapt or improve faster. By using AI to monitor your performance, you can become more adaptable and better prepared for the challenges of the future of work. Curiosity is the engine that turns ideas into momentous achievements. Bryan Guzman. By integrating AI tools into your daily life and work processes, you can effectively apply the fundamentals of success described in this episode of Exopreneur. These tools will not only help you implement the principles, but also enhance your ability to adapt, innovate, and stay ahead in a rapidly evolving world of work. Embrace an exponential mindset, stay focused on your long-term goals, and harness the power of AI to support your path to a successful and fulfilling career in the second digital renaissance. Finally, share and amplify your value by creating authentic content. If you are a PhD college graduate or want to propel your business to success and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of work, I invite you to try out my favorite tools on my.ai for free. You can join me in this process as we learn, test, and implement AI with various strategies and business models to transform them into profitable businesses. At May.ai, you'll find revolutionary AI solutions designed to improve productivity, efficiency, and innovation. We'll learn and experiment with new ways to be productive, complete your task in less time, and make informed strategic decisions with the power of artificial intelligence. Focus on creating authentic and transparent and personal human-centered content that AI can't easily replicate. Follow these tips to make sure your content stands out. Share personal stories and experiences that evoke emotions and resonate with your audience. Writing in a conversational tone that reflects your unique voice and style. Interact with your audience by asking questions and encouraging comments and feedback. Be confident in your potential. Don't let fear of AI stop you. Thanks for lending me these seconds of your time. See you around in the next episode of Exopreneur. This was fun. Enjoy your day. Thank you, Bryan.